today I want to share my opinion about someone who's smoking in college area. First, I think it's so disrespectful because in Universitas Diana Sarana Informatika have rules that we can smoking in college area. And if you do that, it means you don't respect all the student and the lecturer. Also, if you smoke in college area, not everyone like the smoke from cigarette. Maybe one of them have an asthma or they just didn't like it. And if you think the cigarette is only affect you, then you're wrong because all the people have breathed it same air as your cigarette have can risk like you. They can have a cancer, lung disease, and other. But if you really want to take a break and smoking, I can give you some advice. First, you can go out and find some smoking area. 2. Go to place that isn't near from college area. And 3. Just wait till go home. I think it's enough. Thank you for attention and thank you. Hello everyone, today I want to explain to you about adverb of material. In this video, I will explain to you about description, type, and placement. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Andita and I'm from Universitas Diana Sarana Informatika, Palembang. And let's go to the first material. The first material is description. Adverb of frequency is a word that describes how often an action happens. It tells us the frequency or regularity of an event and can be used as adverb of time in basic conversation. Usually, adverb of frequency used as simple present tense and going with frequent. And let's go to the second material. The second, we got the type. Adverb of frequency have two types, including positive and negative. Next, we got the example for the positive one. The first example is always. Always indicate that something happens all the time without exception. Example, I always make a dinner at 7 p.m. Next, we got every. Every used to refer all the individual member of the set without exception. Example, I always go to mall every month. Every morning, Chris always rides bicycle. And the three, we got the usually. Usually suggests that something happens most of the time but not all the time. Example, she usually does her homework at 8 p.m. Next, we got the often. Often implies that something happens frequently but not necessarily most of the time. Example, he often goes to mall. My brother often plays with his friend. And the last positive example is sometimes. Sometimes indicate that something occasionally but not regularly. Example, sometimes Han go to his parents' house. Sometimes I wish I have a cat. And next we go to the negative example. First is seldom or rarely. Seldom suggests that something happens infrequently or not very often. Second example, I really using conditioner. And the next is never. Never indicates that something never happened. Example, he never going to pub. My brother never wearing the hoodie before. And the next material is placement. Adverb of frequency are usually placed between the subject and the verb, but it can use as negative sentence, question, simple tense, and other. The first placement is simple sentence. Simple sentence have a structure like subject, adverb of frequency, and verb. Usually, this placement used in simple tense. Example, she always wears pink dress. I often go to park. The second placement is question sentence. Question sentence have a structure like to be, subject, adverb of frequency, and verb. Negative sentence or question sentence are used for asking an activity. Example, do you always go to park? Is she rarely reading her history books? The next placement is sentence with auxiliary verb. The structure is subject, to be, adverb of frequency, and verb. Displacement between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Example, I have never seen this car before. She was rarely making it. And the last placement is for emphasis. The structure is adverb of frequency plus sentence. It can be placed at the beginning of a sentence. Example, sometimes I like go to park. Never ask me about math again. Always choose the clean one. The conclusion of the material is adverb of frequency are words that describe how often an action happens. They have two kinds of adverb, the positive and the negative. Also, they can be used as a negative sentence, question, simple tense, and other. I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.